Imagine turning a simple idea into a professional wallpaper without making a single design decision yourself. Everything starts with one file, the Universal Wallpaper Engine. I'll leave it in the description if you'd like to try it yourself. Simply upload the framework to ChatGPT, give it a title, write a short summary, and if you want, add a reference image and choose a style pack. From there, the engine analyzes your idea, selects the best visual direction, builds the composition, chooses the colors, symbols, lighting, and atmosphere, then generates a complete production-ready prompt. The framework also includes a complete library of style packs, themes, symbols, color palettes, templates, and practical examples, so every wallpaper follows the same professional design process. Instead of spending time writing complicated prompts, you simply describe what you want to create. The engine handles the design decisions for you. Whether you're creating cozy scenes, storybook illustrations, minimal artwork, luxury aesthetics, or handcrafted textile designs, the workflow always stays consistent. If you'd like to try the Universal Wallpaper Engine yourself, you'll find the complete framework linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.